the channel. So for today's video, we are learning a line dance. It is a 32 count, 2-wall line dance with 1 restart on the 4th wall. So before we get into the line dance, I'm going to show you guys a quick demo of the dance just so you guys can see what it looks like, and then we will break it down. And of course, if you guys happen to like today's video, let me know by giving it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel for more. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, let's get right into it. So you're going to start out by using your right foot, and you're going to do a right heel and then left heel. So try that. Right, left. From here, you're going to step forward, and you're going to step with that right foot. You're going to step right, left. So trying from the top, ready, and we step right, left, stepping forward. So it's a heel, heel, step, forward, and then you're going to do 2 heels. Again, you're going to step right heel, left heel, and then you're going to step back. You're going to step back with that right foot, right, bring the left in. So going from the second heels, stepping right heel, left heel, we step back with that right foot, bring the left foot in. Good. Taking it from the top. And 5, 6, ready, and right heel, left heel, stepping forward, right heel, left heel, stepping back. Good. Next part, we're going to step to our side, right side. You're going to step right, left, and then you're going to step a quick right, left, right. So you're going to go right, left, right. So try that new part. So we step right, left, and right, left, right. Good. One more time. From the new part. Ready, and right, left, right, left, right. Good. Now you're going to take it to your left, stepping left, right, and then left, right, left. Good. From the new part, so we step right, left, left, right, and left, right, left. Awesome. Taking it from the top. And 5, 6, here we go. Right heel, left heel, stepping forward, right heel, left heel, stepping back to our right. Left, right, and left, right, left. Okay, moving on. So from here, you're going to do a box step. Now that right foot is going to come in front. So it looks like this. You have it crossed over. Crossed over your left. So that right foot comes in front. Then we bring the left foot behind, stepping the right foot out, then bringing the left foot in. So we're here. We step right, left, left. So do that again. Ready, and right, left, left. One more time from the new part. And right, left, left. You bring that left foot in. From here, you're going to do the same thing with the left foot. You're going to do a box step, crossing that left foot over your right. Good. And then we're going to step that right foot back. Then bring the left foot out, and then bring that right foot in. So going from the second box step, we have our left foot in, we cross it over, bring the right foot back, step that left foot out, bring the right foot in. So taking it from the first box step, crossing that right foot over your left, ready, and right, left, then left, right. One more time from the new part. Ready, and we cross right, left, then left, right. Okay, and we're almost done, so taking it from the top. Here we go. And 5, 6, ready, and right heel, left heel, stepping forward, right heel, left heel, stepping back to our right. Left, and left, left. We cross right, left, in, and left, right, in. Okay, so let's take it from the last box step. So bringing that left foot over your right. So left, right, From here, the last little bit, we're going to bring both feet out, and I'm going to step right, left. So bringing those feet out, you go right, left, and then bring it in, right, left. So it goes out, right, left, in, right, left. So out, out, in. Try it one more time. Ready, and out, in. Good. Now you're going to do a quarter turn to your left, stepping with that right foot, quarter turn, and you're going to make another quarter turn, turning to your left, stepping with that right foot, quarter turn. So 2 quarter turns. So we just went from the out, in, stepping with that right foot and right foot. So going from the same part with the out, in, stepping right. So taking it from there, ready, and out, in, and quarter turn. So then you'd be at the new wall and you'd start the dance again from the top. So that's the whole dance. So you know what we're going to do is we're going to start from the top, facing the side we were working on, and then we'll try it on a new wall. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, ready, and heel, forward, and heel, back, to our right, left, 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 cross right, left, bring it in, left, bring it in, out, in, and quarter turn. Okay, so new wall, same dance, let's take it from the top. And we will work on the restart, and that's on the 4th wall. So here we go, starting with the 2 heels, right, left, 5, 6, ready, here we go. Right heel, left heel, stepping forward, right heel, left heel, stepping back. To our right, left, left, cross, back, side, together, and cross, back, side, together, out, in, quarter turn to our left, quarter turn. Okay, let's do it one more time, and then we will go over the restart. So this is the 3rd wall, and the restart is on the 4th wall. So let's try it again. And 5, 6, ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now we want to work on the restart, and we are on the 4th wall, and this is where the restart is at. So taking it from the top, and 5, 6, ready, and right heel, left heel, stepping forward, right heel, left heel, stepping back. To our right, left, left, box step, cross that right foot over, right, left, right. Now this is where the restart is, and then we'd start the dance from the top. So instead of going out, in, we're going to take it from the top. So after the box step, we just did the left, right. Here we go, restart, here we go. Ready, and right heel, left heel, stepping forward, right heel, left heel, stepping back, and you would keep going. Okay, let's do it one more time. Here we go. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed today's new line dance. Now, if you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out that link below. And if you guys liked today's new video, let me know by giving it a big thumbs up. And also, subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!